In this video, I will show you how to edit the post on Instagram after posting. So let's head over here to my Instagram wall. So on my Instagram wall, I have recently posted these things right here. So for example, just for fun, let's edit out that post that we have posted the very far asleep. So I have posted this picture on June 30, which is around 2 weeks right now. So what you can do right here in order to edit it is to click on these three dots right here. And then from in there, click on this edit option that you can see on your screen. You can also do a lot of things like hide like count and all of these things right here. But for this case, let's click on edit. Now this will open right here this edit option that you have for your caption. You can also edit in here your alt text, and you can also tag people, add location, add music. For example, for this one, let's start to add some music. So I'll head over and add in here this music right here. And then click on check. And then click on check right here once you're done editing everything. Or click on check right here. And then this will upload our actual video. And as you can see, it has now a new music on this post that we have created 2 weeks ago. So that's the whole process. If you have fun, you can have posts, leave a like, below, subscribe again, so I'll reach more people. See you soon.